Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix your network issue if your network is not working, crashing or not working properly. How to fix it in infinix smartphone. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's start. First go to settings option in your infinix smartphone, then swipe down, you can search it over the search bar, then go to system, then go to reset phone, and here you can see reset mobile, then press on reset mobile. This will reset your any problem in network settings. This is how you can just do it. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.